online lobbies issue in CarX Street, along with the boosted SEO stuff you've already seen. Final working solution to fix error joining room in CarX Street. 1. Restart game and router. Fully close CarX Street from recent apps or task manager. Restart your device, PC/mobile. Reboot your Wi-Fi router, power off 10 seconds, turn back on. Reopen CarX Street and try joining again. 2. Change to a stable internet or switch networks. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Use a VPN with a low latency location, e.g. Singapore, Germany, or US. CarX online lobbies rely heavily on stable ping. Instability causes errors. 3. Change DNS settings. For more stable matchmaking, go to Wi-Fi settings, DNS, and set 8.8.8, 8.4.4 Google DNS. On PC, open Control Panel, Network and Sharing, Adapter Settings, Properties, TCP/IPv4, use custom DNS. 4. Clear cache, reset app data, mobile only. Android, go to Settings, Apps, CarX Street, Storage, Clear cache. iOS, uninstall, reinstall the game, can't be cleared directly on iOS. 5. Try private room first or join friends room. Sometimes public rooms are overloaded. Create a private lobby and invite a friend. Or have a friend create a room and you join via invite. 6. Check for game update or server maintenance. Visit the CarX Street Discord or official site. Please open your app to see this link. Sometimes servers go under maintenance, especially during events, patch rollouts, regional overloads. Bonus fix, if all else fails, Android, PC only. Use a VPN with a region closest to servers. Use Proton VPN 1.1.1.1 by Cloudflare or NordVPN trial. Set region to Germany, US East, or Singapore. Then open CarX Street and try creating joining a lobby. Summary of what works. Fixed step platform, effectiveness, restart game and router, all, high. Switch DNS to 8.8.8.8, PC mobile, high. VPN to stable region, PC mobile, high. Clear cache, Android only, medium. Create private room, all, medium. Check for updates, maintenance, all. Required YouTube blog SEO title,